Are you really managing your money the right way? You might think you're on track with your finances, but there could be warning signs that you're mismanaging your money without even realizing it. Today, we're going to dive into 10 clear red flags that indicate you might be making costly mistakes when it comes to handling your money. Stay tuned because we'll not only identify these problems, but we'll also show you how to fix them and start managing your money like a pro. Ready? Let's get started. 1. You're not tracking your spending. One of the biggest signs that you're mismanaging your money is not tracking your spending. How can you know if you're overspending or saving enough if you don't know where your money is going? If you're just guessing or assuming, that's a serious red flag. Start by using budgeting apps like Mint, Inab, or a simple spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your financial habits and help you make smarter decisions. Tracking your spending helps you identify patterns and potential areas for cutting back. You'll be surprised how much money you can save just by cutting out the little things you don't really need. So, start tracking today. It's one of the easiest and most effective steps toward taking control of your finances. 2. You don't have a budget. If you're not budgeting, you're almost guaranteed to mismanage your money. A budget helps you prioritize your spending, save for future goals, and avoid overspending on unnecessary items. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your finances and find yourself scrambling to cover expenses. Start by allocating a portion of your income to essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. The 50/30/20 rule is a great method. 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. A budget doesn't have to be restrictive. It's all about making your money work for you. A budget also helps you set realistic goals and stick to them. Don't wait for things to get out of hand. Set up a budget today, and you'll be in control of your money from the start. 3. You're living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a major warning sign that you're not managing your money effectively. If you're constantly struggling to make ends meet between paychecks, it means you're likely not saving enough or have no emergency fund to fall back on. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up for emergencies. This not only provides financial security, but also reduces the stress that comes with living paycheck to paycheck. If you're not there yet, start small. Aim to save a portion of each paycheck, even if it's just 10%. Living paycheck to paycheck is a cycle that can be broken by focusing on saving first. Pay yourself before you pay bills or spend on non-essentials. Once you get into the habit of saving, it becomes easier to break free from this cycle and start building wealth. 4. You're using credit cards for everyday purchases. Another warning sign is using credit cards for everyday expenses. While credit cards can be useful for building credit or for emergencies, they should never be used for routine purchases unless you can pay the balance off in full each month. If you're using credit cards for things like groceries, coffee, or entertainment, and carrying a balance, you're digging yourself into debt. Credit card debt usually comes with high interest rates, and the longer you carry a balance, the more you'll pay in interest. It's easy to get into the habit of swiping your card without thinking, but that small debt can quickly spiral into something much bigger. Instead of relying on credit cards for everyday spending, focus on budgeting and saving for those purchases. If you find yourself consistently relying on credit cards, it's time to take a hard look at your finances and adjust your spending habits. Pay off your balance each month to avoid interest, or cut back on unnecessary purchases to stay out of debt. 5. You don't have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a must for managing your money properly, but many people overlook it. If you don't have one, you're putting yourself at risk of falling into debt when unexpected expenses arise, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Your emergency fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It's important to keep this money separate from your regular savings or spending account so you're not tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Start by saving a small amount each month and gradually build it up until you have a sufficient cushion. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for life's unexpected events. If you don't have one yet, start today. Your future self will thank you. 6. You're not paying off debt. Carrying high-interest debt, especially credit card debt, is a sign that you're not managing your money correctly. Debt can quickly spiral out of control, especially if you're only making minimum payments and not addressing the underlying issue. Start by listing all of your debts, including the balance and interest rate for each. Focus on paying off the highest interest debt first, known as the debt avalanche method. Once that's paid off, move on to the next highest interest debt. The sooner you pay off debt, the less interest you'll pay, and the sooner you'll be able to free up that money for saving or investing. Don't let debt hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Start paying it off as soon as possible. 7. You don't set financial goals. If you don't have clear financial goals, it's easy to mismanage your money. Without goals, you lack direction, and your spending can quickly spiral out of control. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals will help you focus on what's most important and create a clear plan to achieve it. Start by setting short-term goals like saving for a vacation or an emergency fund. Then move on to long-term goals like buying a home or retirement. Break down each goal into manageable steps and track your progress. Financial goals give you a sense of purpose and motivation. They keep you focused and prevent you from wasting money on things that don't contribute to your long-term success. If you haven't set any financial goals yet, do it today. You'll be amazed at how much more disciplined and focused you become. 8. You ignore retirement planning. Not planning for retirement is a huge warning sign that you're not managing your money properly. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. If you wait too long to start, you'll miss out on the opportunity to make your money grow. Make sure to take advantage of any retirement plans your employer offers, like a 401k or a pension plan. If you don't have access to a retirement plan at work, consider opening an IRA or Roth IRA. Contribute as much as you can afford, and try to increase your contributions as your income grows. Retirement might seem far off, but the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Start today and set yourself up for a comfortable retirement. 9. You spend without a purpose. If you're spending without purpose, that's a clear sign that your money is mismanaged. Many people spend without thinking, grabbing whatever they want, whenever they want, without considering whether it's really necessary. This kind of spending can quickly drain your bank account and prevent you from building wealth. Start by asking yourself, do I need this, or do I just want it right now? Make mindful decisions about your purchases and only buy things that align with your goals. This doesn't mean you can't treat yourself from time to time, but it does mean being intentional with your spending so it aligns with your bigger picture. Purposeful spending is key to financial success. When you spend intentionally, you're ensuring that your money is going toward things that will bring you value. Don't let impulse buys control your finances. Take charge and make your money work for you. 10. You're not educating yourself about money. The final warning sign that you're mismanaging your money is not educating yourself about it. Financial literacy is one of the most important skills you can have. If you don't understand the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, you're at a major disadvantage when it comes to building wealth. Take the time to learn about personal finance. Read books, watch videos, and talk to experts. The more you educate yourself, the better decisions you'll be able to make. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your money. By becoming financially literate, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money and building wealth. So, how many of these warning signs did you recognize in your own financial habits? If you're guilty of any of them, don't worry. Change is possible. Start by tackling one area at a time and gradually build healthier money habits. Whether it's budgeting, saving, or learning more about investing, every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear these tips, and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice. Together, we can all manage our money better and build a brighter financial future.